Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Here we have a 1994 Honda Goldwing Trike. The bike is white in color and it has a Voyager trike kit. It's a removable trike kit. One thing I want to point out is the condition of this bike. It is excellent. For a 94 with 61,000 miles, the bike's in very, very, very good shape. We sell a lot of these Goldwings, and rarely do we see one that's been this well kept. Obviously this one's been garage kept. Has the reverse, has the cruise control, has the CB radio. Only 61,000 miles, radio works. It's got really nice pinstriping. You can tell it's relatively fresh. It's not all faded or anything. The seat's in excellent condition. Got a nice backrest there. Passenger armrest as well. Shuriken passenger floorboards. And again, that Voyager kit. These are removable. And it's nice because you get to keep the bags. The bags are still functionable, so. Nice chrome wheels. So the model is an SC. That's a special edition Goldwing made, and so that's the fully loaded one. Just in excellent shape. This aftermarket bumper down here, it's kind of like a chin spoiler, like a spoiler for the rear bumper, if that makes sense. This is an add-on. This can be removed. But this has two little cracks in it back here. Okay, so probably from the trike kit, there are some brackets down there. At some point, maybe someone hit those, or I don't know. But anyway, they're there. Very hard to see. Obviously, if you're back here or even here, you can't even really see them. If you really get up in there, you can notice it. So I did notice that imperfection. Otherwise, it's really hard to see anything wrong with this thing. Another little scuff right here, but it's not scratched or anything. It's just kind of scuffing the pinstriping from the trike fender right there. Again, nice thing about these is you can still use your bags, load it up with a bunch of stuff, and if you ever have the need or want to make it back into a two-wheeler, you certainly can, relatively easy. Got a little vent here. A really nice Goldwing here. Got the air wings on it. These are the air wings here that I was talking about. Brand new front tire. It's not on the bike right now, but it has been, actually just got delivered today, so that's going next on the lift, and it'll get a brand new front tire. Front tire's fine, I guess. It's just a little bit cupped here, and we don't like to send them out like that, so that one's going to get a new one. Anyway, there it is, guys. It's a 94 Goldwing Trike. It's an SC model. Has the Voyager trike kit on it. I'm going to go ahead and start it up so you can hear this thing. It runs as good as it looks, too. So that's the other nice thing about it. You can tell it's still cold. No choke needed. Just fires right up. Radio's good. It's got a little voltmeter there. Oh yeah, the passenger has control as well on there for their headset. As far as these removable kits go, Voyager is probably the oldest brand in that space. They've been doing it a long time. I've seen a lot of Voyager trike kits. Personally, sold a lot of them. No complaints. Again, I mean, it's, at least if you're gonna buy this style kit, you buy the best brand available, which in my opinion is probably the Voyager. There it is, guys. Very nice Goldwing trike, 1994 SC. We're located in Tampa, Florida. Our phone number is 813-615-1700. We have discounted shipping rates available anywhere in the United States. It starts at $300, goes up from there. Most of the time, especially something this big, will be around 500 bucks to get shipped to you. So just give us a call, give us your zip code. We'd be happy to get you a quote. We can help you get this thing delivered. Or you can always fly into Tampa Bay International. We're about 20 minutes away from that, and you can ride this bike home. It runs excellent. It looks excellent. There it is. Any questions about this one? You can always get a message sent over. Get a message sent over through our website. Our website's www.myridepro.com. MyRide, RIDEPRO.com. Thanks for watching.